Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello how are you all? Hope you will find by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIF's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National and International School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class junior 1 students. Our today's topic, sentence making 6 to 10. So let's see our today's class. Class junior 1, subject English, topic sentence making 6 to 10, term half-yearly. Class number 15, no SW today. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. So sentence making, in sentence making 6 to 10, number 6 mother. In sentence making a word will be given and you have to make a sentence according to the word. Okay. So I want to say one thing before starting. You can have your own sentence. You can make your own sentence, but the sentence must have a meaning. Okay. So let's write mother. You can write I love my mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. I love my mother. And you have to underline the word. Okay, you can also write he loves his mother. Okay, Tamim loves his mother. Okay, number 7, bag. So you can write I have a school bag. You can also write he has a school bag. Ronit has a school bag. You can make a different kind of sentences, but the sentence must have a meaning. Number 8, fish. So we can write God. God is a sea fish. You can also write I like fish. This is also correct. Masum likes fish. This is also correct. Number 9, rice. I can write he eats rice. You can also write Adyan eats rice. Tanvir eats rice. Okay. Mr. Alif eats rice. Okay. Number 10, tree. So tree gives. G-I-V-E-S, gives us shade. Okay, so tree gives us shade. You can also write there is a tree in front of my house. You can have your own sentence, but the sentence must have a meaning. Let's read again. Number 6, sentence making 6 to 10. Number 6, mother. I love my mother. Number 7, bag. I have a school bag. Number 8, fish. God is a sea fish. Number 9, rice. He eats rice. Number 10, tree. Tree gives us shade. I'm reading for the last time. Number 6, mother. I love my mother. Number 7, bag. I have a school bag. Number 8, fish. God is a sea fish. Number 8, rice. He eats rice. Number 10, tree. Tree gives us shade. So my dear students, I'm telling you again, you can have your own sentence, own creative sentence, but the sentence must have a meaning. So my dear students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.